Employee Tracker for Clover is an app that enables merchants to keep track of their employees on the Clover devices. Once you've installed the app on your Clover market, you can go ahead and open it on your browser. And the first thing that the app is going to ask you is to enable some merchants. Now, the first 3 merchants are free, and the rest of the merchants are priced based on the scale right here. 4 to 10 employees is $2.99 per employee per month. 11 to 20 employees is $1.99 per month, and 21 plus employees is 99 cents per employee per month. So to get started, we have to select at least one employee. So I'm going to select, let's say, all of this, and go ahead and click Save. So when I've saved, the employee analytics are automatically enabled, and analytics read in all of the transactional data that was performed by the selected employees for at least 1 month prior, and composes this analytical data. It shows us the baseline, overachiever, and underperformers. And there is a video that sort of goes in depth specifically on each criteria that we are analyzing here. So the other functionality is called tracking rules, and tracking rules is where you can enable the triggering notifications for 5 different events. First event is deleting an open order from a system which normally would not leave a history of it ever happening, but with our app, with Employee Tracker, owners can now get notified when this takes place. Refunding orders, deleting items from an order, issuing discounts, and the user login tracking. So to enable, like, all of these are already enabled, but to do so, let me just sort of pause them like so, and then we can activate the rule. We select the employees for which this rule needs to be triggered. We come up with a minimum threshold. Let's make it $1. We want to trigger 2 emails. So we have 3 ways to run it: as it occurs, daily, and weekly. Obviously, if you select as it occurs and you have a lot of transactions, that will generate a lot of emails in your mailbox. So we're going to select daily here. And let's select who needs to receive these emails. So let's just select myself. And so this rule has been activated, and the rest can be activated in a similar fashion. That's it. That's the end of this video. You also are welcome to call us at 619-246-8236 or send us an email at info@csadworks.net, and we will be happy to assist you with the setup and onboarding of our apps.